In this video, we shall be looking at how to solve differentiation using quotient rule. But before we proceed, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel for more updates. To solve quotient rule, we shall consider this formula. dy dx is equal to v du dx minus u dv dx divided by v squared. Assuming that we are given this question 6x squared, 6x cubed minus 5x squared plus 1 divided by 3x squared. And we are asked to find dy dx. In this case, the numerator will be u and the denominator will be v. Let u be equal to 6x cubed minus 5x squared plus 1. Then du dx will be equal to differentiation of 6x cubed will give me 18x squared minus differentiation of 5x squared will give me 10x. Then differentiation of a constant is 0. So we can assume v to be 3x squared. Then dv dx will be equal to 6x. Substituting u du dx, v and dv dx in this formula, we would have multiplied by 18x squared minus 10x minus u is 6x cubed minus 5x squared plus 1 and dv dx is 6x. This is divided by v squared, which is 3x squared or squared. So opening this bracket, 3x squared multiplied by 18x squared will be 54x power 4. 3x squared multiplied by minus 10x will be 30x cubed minus this 6x multiplied by 6x cubed will be 36x power 4 minus 6x multiplied by 5x squared will be 30x cubed. Then 6x multiplied by 1 will be plus 6x divided by 3x squared all squared will be 9x power 4. Then simplifying further, I have 54x power 4 minus 30x cubed. Then if I use this minus to open the bracket, I'll be having minus 36x power 4 plus 30x cubed minus 6x divided by 9x power 4. If I decide to collect like terms, then minus 30x cubed and 30x cubed will go. Then minus 54x power 4 54x power 4 minus 36x power 4 will be 18. 18x power 4. Then we are left with minus 6x divided by 9x power 4. You can choose to simplify further by factoring out 3x. I have 3x into 18x. 18x power 4 divided by 3x will be 6x cubed minus, this is 2, and divided by 9x power 4. 3x can reduce 9x power 4, and that will be 6x cubed minus 2. This is 3x power 3. Then we can decide to simplify further by having 6x cubed divided by 3x cubed minus 2 divided by 3x cubed. And this will be 2 minus by 2 divided by 3x cubed. And this is our final answer. Assuming you have y to be equal to x divided by cos x, and you're asked to find dy dx. In this case, we are going to use quotient rule, and the formula is dy dx is equal to v du dx minus u dv dx divided by v squared, and u is the numerator, which is x. Du dx will be equal to 1, and v is equal to cos x, and dv dx will be minus sine x. So substituting this in this formula, you can say that dy dx is equal to v is cos x, du dx is 1 minus u is x, dv dx is minus sine x divided by v squared, which is cos x all squared. And this will be equal to cos x multiplied by 1 will be cos x. Then minus x multiplied by minus sine will be plus x sine x divided by cos squared x. We can decide to simplify further, and this is same thing as cos x divided by cos squared x plus x sine x divided by cos squared x. This will be equal to cos x divided by cos squared x will be 1 divided by cos x plus x sine x divided by cos squared x is same thing as cos x multiplied by cos x. Then this is equal to 1 divided by cos x plus x sine x divided by cos x multiplied by 1 divided by cos x. From the trig ratio, we already know that 1 divided by cos x is sec x, and this is sec x plus sine x divided by cos x is tan x. So this is tan x multiplied by sec x, and this is equal to sec x into 1 plus x tan x, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching our video. Kindly follow this page for more video. Feel free to mail us if you have any question at science-elearning academy@gmail.com.